Hello, my name is David Mejia. I will be walking you through a brief overview of Dynamic Multipoint Virtual Public Network. We'll start off by visiting what a Dynamic Multipoint VPN is. It is a feature that allows users to better scale large and small IP security virtual private networks by combining generic routing, encapsulating tunnels, IPsec encryption, and next hop resolution protocol. Features of focus are listed below, such as IPsec, VPN, GRE tunnels, and NHRP. We'll do a more in-depth breakdown of each of these technologies in the following slide. On screen, you'll see a brief breakdown of the DMVPN technologies. We'll start off by reviewing what an IP security is. Internet Protocol Security provides security for routers sending routing data across the public internet. MGRE uses tunnel source and tunnel mode MGRE tunnels that can have many endpoints by using a single tunnel interface. The endpoint can be configured as GRE or MGRE, and mapping is done by NHRP protocol. NHRP is a computer sending data to another computer which can learn most of its direct route by using the fewest number of hops to the receiving computer. And VPN, which we are most familiar with, is a service that encrypts your internet traffic on unsecured networks. The DMVPN is a service provided by Cisco, which is a software-based security solution for building scalable enterprise VPNs. This feature allows users to better scale large and small IPsec VPNs by combining generic routing, encapsulating tunnels, and allowing several pieces of encryption. This helps data move from one end to another in the establishment of secured network. This software is often used by companies with a large amount of employees, ranging in the range from over 10,000 to several millions in revenue. This allows for more fluidity within data and more security established within the organization. On screen, you'll see a sample MGRE and IPsec integration topology. On the topology, you can see that each spoke has a permanent IPsec tunnel to the hub, not to the other spokes within the network. Each spoke registers as clients of the NHRP server. The spoke-to-spoke links are established on demand whenever there is traffic between the spokes. Thereafter, packets can bypass the hub and use the spoke-to-spoke tunnels. Listed on screen are pros and cons to the use of the DMVPN. A simplified hub spoke configuration with DMVPN offers multiple tunnel interfaces for each branch of VPN which are not required. This also allows for a better security of data exchanged between users. A disadvantage to the use of this would be the requirement of an in-depth understanding of the technologies we discussed earlier, which can also lead to a very time-consuming setup on your router configuration, depending on how familiar you are. In closing, the Dynamic Multipoint Virtual Public Network offers greater security with much more fluent connectivity, serving as a key advantage to larger employers where their main headquarters would not need to serve as a provider. The DMVPN simplifies branch communications, reducing deployment complexity, and improves business resiliency.